Hello, future wealth builders. Welcome to Brillarry Finance, where we demystify money and empower you to build a prosperous tomorrow. Look around you. The world is changing, and so is the way we interact with our money. Gone are the days when financial freedom felt out of reach or locked behind complex bank doors. Right here, in vibrant marketplaces like this across Africa, we're seeing a quiet revolution. Traditional commerce is meeting cutting-edge technology. Imagine buying your fresh produce, tapping your smartphone, and watching digital sparkles affirm your seamless transaction. This isn't just convenience, it's a powerful shift. It's the Fintech revolution, making financial interactions faster, safer, and more accessible than ever before. We're moving from heavy pockets of cash to the lightness of digital transactions, and with it, new opportunities for growth are emerging at an incredible pace. This is where your journey to smart wealth begins. The SafeLock Vault. Now, let's talk about building a solid foundation for your savings. We all know how tempting it can be to dip into our funds, especially when an unexpected expense or a fun opportunity arises. But what if your savings had their own security detail? What if they were locked away, not just from others, but from yourself, until they've had a chance to truly grow? This is the magic of SafeLock saving, a concept popularized by platforms like Piggyvest. Picture a robust digital vault, adorned with the rich, symbolic patterns of our heritage. You commit to saving a certain amount for a set period, and that money is securely locked away. But it doesn't just sit there. Behind that vault door, your money is transforming. It's like planting a seed that blossoms into a golden tree, with each coin multiplying and flourishing. This isn't just about discipline. It's about giving your money the space and time to truly compound, turning small savings into substantial wealth. It's smart, it's secure, and it's how you build real financial muscle. The Treasury bill harvest. Once you've mastered the art of disciplined saving, it's time to make your money work even harder for you, safely and predictably. Imagine a diligent farmer tending to a lush field, but instead of corn or yams, this farmer is harvesting a steady crop of golden coins and official government certificates. This, my friends, is the power of investing in Treasury bills. Treasury bills are essentially short-term loans you give to the government. And what do you get in return? A guaranteed yield, often higher than traditional savings accounts, paid out regularly. Think of it as a steady crop, reliable, low risk, and always ripening. In an often unpredictable world, having an investment that consistently delivers can be a game changer. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about consistent, secure growth, creating a financial bedrock that stands strong through any season. With Treasury bills, you're not just saving. You're cultivating your future wealth, one secure harvest at a time. Mobile money magic. The sheer power of financial growth is literally in the palm of your hand. Your smartphone is no longer just for calls and social media. It's your personal finance command center, transforming how you manage, save, and grow your money. Take a look at this. From the screen of a simple smartphone, a vibrant 3D bar graph emerges, reaching upwards like a modern skyscraper. Each rising bar represents your financial progress, your investments growing, and your savings expanding. Surrounding this dynamic growth are the familiar, glowing symbols of the cedi and the naira, pulsating with digital energy. This visual isn't just fancy animation. It's a real-time reflection of your financial journey. Mobile money platforms have democratized access to investments, savings tools, and even international transfers, allowing millions to track their wealth building with unprecedented clarity and ease. It's truly mobile money magic, making sophisticated financial tools accessible to everyone, everywhere. The global connection. Our financial world is no longer confined by borders. We live in a globally connected economy, and your money should too. Imagine looking down from space at our beautiful Earth, not just seeing land and oceans, but vibrant lines of light, representing the constant flow of data, investment, and remittances, connecting West Africa to major financial hubs in Europe and North America. These glowing pathways illustrate how seamlessly money, interest, and opportunities now travel across continents. What does this mean for you? It means your savings are no longer limited to local markets. With modern fintech, you can access global investment opportunities, send money to family abroad with ease, and even invest in currencies that offer more stability. Little savings safes pop up across the globe, symbolizing secure havens for your funds, no matter where they originate or where they need to go. This global connection empowers you to diversify, protect, and grow your wealth on an international scale, opening up a world of possibilities for your financial future. The dollar shield. We've all felt the sting of inflation, that unsettling feeling as prices rise, and your hard-earned money buys less and less. It's like a financial storm, blowing inflation dust and eroding your purchasing power. But what if you could stand firm, shielded from its force? Imagine a brave character, holding a magnificent, glowing golden shield, boldly embossed with a dollar sign. In front of them, a fierce storm rages, tearing at grey papers, the very value of money being eroded. But behind that shield, calm, sunny skies, and lush, green growth. This is the power of hedging against inflation, particularly with the US dollar, when local currencies face volatility. Holding a portion of your wealth in a more stable currency like the dollar can act as your personal economic shield. It protects your purchasing power, preserving the value of your savings and investments. It's not just about earning more. It's about keeping what you earn, ensuring your financial future remains sunny and secure, even when the economic winds blow hard. The currency bridge. Now, how do you cross from a potentially volatile local currency to the stability of digital dollars? You build a bridge, not a physical one, but a financial pathway designed for seamless transition and growth. Watch our character as they embark on this journey. They start in the local currency land, carrying a heavy, cumbersome bag, perhaps representing the burden of inflation or limited investment opportunities. But as they step onto the glowing green bridge, connecting them to the vibrant digital dollars landscape, something transformative happens. The heavy bag lightens, transforming into a brilliant, glowing digital orb. This isn't magic, it's smart financial strategy. It's about leveraging platforms that allow you to easily convert local currency into stable digital dollars, like USDC or USDT, providing a secure haven and opening up global investment opportunities. This currency bridge is your pathway to diversification, stability, and ultimately, a lighter, brighter financial future, free from the heavy burdens of inflation and currency depreciation. The stablecoin safe harbor. Imagine a vast ocean, sometimes calm, sometimes turbulent. This is the global financial market. In the distance, you see smaller, wooden boats being tossed relentlessly by a furious storm, representing volatile markets and economic uncertainty. But closer to shore, in a tranquil, digital blue harbor, several sturdy stablecoin ships are anchored safely, their sails proudly displaying icons like USDC or USDT. Our character stands on the shore, a sigh of relief evident as they gaze upon these secure vessels. This illustrates the critical role of stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value, often pegged directly to a fiat currency like the US dollar. They offer a safe harbor in the often stormy crypto and global financial seas. By holding stablecoins, you gain the benefits of digital assets, speed, low fees, global accessibility, without the wild price swings of other cryptocurrencies. It's about having a secure, accessible store of value that rides out the economic storms, keeping your wealth protected and ready for when opportunity calls. This safe harbor gives you peace of mind and control, no matter how turbulent the waters become. The global wallet multi-currency. In today's interconnected world, your finances shouldn't be confined to a single currency. Imagine holding a futuristic smartphone, and on its transparent screen, you see not just one, but 3 distinct jars, or buckets for your money. One for your local Naira or Cedi, one for USD, and another for Euros. Notice how the USD jar glows the brightest, overflowing with gold and digital coins. This isn't just about showing off. It's about strategic diversification. A multi-currency wallet empowers you to hold different currencies, allowing you to easily switch between them, hedge against local currency depreciation, and take advantage of global opportunities. You can receive payments in USD, invest in Euros, and still manage your daily expenses in Naira or Cedi, all from one intuitive platform. This global wallet gives you unprecedented flexibility and control over your money, ensuring you're prepared for any economic shift and always have access to the most stable and opportune currencies. It's intelligent money management for the modern global citizen. The inflation hedge growth. Let's tie it all together with a powerful image of lasting growth. What if you could plant a seed that was immune to the ravages of inflation? Here, our character plants a dollar seed in a digital pot, and almost instantly, a magnificent, sturdy metallic tree sprouts, its leaves shimmering and completely untouched by the fire of inflation raging in the background. This is the ultimate inflation hedge in action. By strategically saving and investing in stable assets, particularly dollar-denominated ones, you're planting seeds that will grow into robust, inflation-proof wealth. Our smiling character, diligently watering this tree with a savings watering can, embodies the consistent effort that leads to financial independence. It's about proactive planning, smart choices, and leveraging the right tools to ensure your money not only survives, but thrives, even in challenging economic climates. At Brillarry Finance, we're dedicated to helping you cultivate your own inflation-proof wealth and watch it grow into a resilient legacy. Start planting your dollar seeds today. And that, future leaders, is how you navigate the modern financial landscape with confidence and intelligence. From embracing the fintech revolution to building your dollar shield and cultivating inflation-proof wealth, Brillarry Finance is here to guide every step of your journey. Don't miss out on more insights, tips, and strategies for building lasting wealth. Hit that subscribe button right now. Join our growing community, and let's unlock your financial potential together. We're excited to have you on board. See you in the next video.